Increase comfort, use less energy, and save money with the new high-efficiency circulation fans from Schaefer. Are you one of those facilities utilizing hundreds or even thousands of circulation fans to keep your employees comfortable and productive? Energy isn't free, and the cost to operate these fans can add up fast. Our new high-efficiency circulation fans are designed with cutting-edge motor technology to help your facility lower its energy costs without sacrificing airflow. Let's look at an example. We have two factories using 200 fans. Both factories run the same hours per year and pay the same amount per kilowatt hour for electricity. But the factory that installed the Schaefer high-efficiency circulation fans are using 1/3 the electricity of the other factory. This saves them $12,000 a year on energy costs, going straight to their bottom line. Why sacrifice performance for cost savings? It doesn't have to be that way. Contact your Schaefer representative today for a virtual or in-person facility energy review.